Welcome to the final video in the Azure AI Foundry series. In this video, we'll cover the SDKs and developer tools available for building AI applications with Foundry. The Azure AI-Projects SDK, version 2, is the unified client library that provides access to all Azure AI Foundry capabilities through a single, consistent API. The SDK is available for Python, C#, JavaScript and TypeScript, and Java. In Python, you install it with pip install Azure AI projects. In C#, you add the Azure.ai.projects NuGet package. In JavaScript, you install the @Azure/AI-projects NPM package. And in Java, you add the Maven or Gradle dependency. From a single client instance, you get access to models, agents, tools, evaluations, and monitoring, all through one consistent interface. The Microsoft Foundry extension for Visual Studio Code is a first-class development tool that integrates the full Foundry experience directly into your IDE. With the extension, you can browse and test models from the model catalog without leaving VS Code. Create, configure, and test agents locally with real-time feedback. Manage deployments and projects from the IDE. Use the integrated trace viewer for debugging agent reasoning step by step. Benefit from GitHub Copilot integration for AI-assisted Foundry development. And deploy to Azure with one click from the IDE. The Azure AI CLI provides command-line access to all Foundry operations, enabling automation, scripting, and CI/CD integration. With the CLI, you can create projects, deploy models, run evaluations, and list deployments, all from the command line or from scripts. The CLI integrates with GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, and any shell-based pipeline, making it easy to incorporate AI operations into your existing DevOps workflows. Azure AI Foundry also provides a library of production-ready templates that encode best practices for common AI application scenarios. The RAG Chat App template provides a full-stack chat application with Azure AI Search and GPT-4. The Multi-Agent Workflow template provides orchestrated agents with tool use and memory. The Document Processing template provides an intelligent document extraction pipeline. The Voice Agent template provides a speech-enabled agent with Azure Speech. And the Custom Copilot template provides a domain-specific copilot with a fine-tuned model. Each template includes Bicep infrastructure as code, application code, evaluation scripts, and CI/CD pipelines. This concludes the Azure AI Foundry video series. We've covered the complete platform, from introduction and portal setup through the model catalog and Azure OpenAI to model deployment, AI agents, multi-agent orchestration, MCP integration, RAG, fine-tuning, prompt optimization, evaluation, responsible AI, governance, and developer tools. You now have everything you need to build enterprise-grade AI applications with Azure AI Foundry. Start building today at ai.azure.com. Thank you for watching this entire series.